Did you know a dirty ACK can hike your energy bill by 15% while pumping out stale, moldy air? You aren't just fighting heat, you're fighting hidden grime. Today, we're showcasing 5 cleaning kits that restore like new frostiness instantly. Welcome back. To save your lungs and wallet, check the links below. The number 5 product on our list is Widecook Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. Invisible dust and bent metal fins are the silent thieves stealing your air conditioner's efficiency and driving up your monthly power bills. This Widecook set provides a professional-grade arsenal to deep clean those hard-to-reach coils that standard dusting simply ignores. It solves the hidden crisis of restricted airflow by offering 8 specialized tools, including a stainless steel fin straightener and various duster brushes. While basic wipes only clean the surface, this kit dives deep into the inline condenser to strip away layers of grime without damaging sensitive components. It is a game changer for car enthusiasts and homeowners who refuse to pay for expensive service calls for a simple maintenance task. Some modern radiators with ultrafine horizontal pieces might be tricky, but for standard mini splits and refrigerators, the versatility is unmatched. You are finally taking full ownership of your machine's longevity and performance. Purge the debris today and feel the surge of pure, unrestricted cold air that your system was actually designed to deliver. At number 4 is Vitsunth Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. The terrifying reality is that your air conditioner could be harboring a thick layer of hidden mold and dander that basic filter rinsing never touches. This Vitsunth system provides a complete waterproof fortress to deep clean your mini split without turning your living room into a disaster zone. It solves the common fear of damaging walls or furniture by using a heavy-duty, double-layer PVC bag that funnels every drop of grime safely into a drainage hose. While smaller brush sets only reach the surface, this kit allows for a full liquid flush of the internal coils and fans. It features specific sizes for both small and large units, ensuring a leak-proof seal that even a solo DIY beginner can manage effortlessly. This is the definitive choice for health-conscious homeowners who want to slash energy costs by up to 30% while breathing truly purified air. You are reclaiming your environment from years of neglected buildup. Finally, witness the satisfying transition from murky water to a pristine, ice-cold breeze. The third one on our list is Gdktg Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. Neglecting the interior of your mini split is essentially inviting a colony of hidden allergens and thick grime to circulate through your sanctuary every single day. This Gdktg solution eliminates the dread of a DIY disaster by providing a high-density bib-style barrier that shields your wallpaper and carpets from murky runoff. It solves the messy struggle of bucket balancing with an integrated drain pipe and a high-pressure sprayer that flushes out stubborn debris from deep within the coils. While some basic kits skip the protection, this set includes self-adhesive film to safeguard your circuit boards from water damage. It is an essential asset for proactive renters and homeowners who want to slash their power bills by restoring factory-level airflow. You are choosing the path of mechanical longevity and pure, odorless comfort for your entire family. Stop breathing through a filter of neglect and witness the transformation as your machine finally exhales nothing but crisp, mountain, fresh air. On number 2 is YSaekYeo Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. Your cooling system is essentially the lungs of your home, yet most people let them get clogged with a thick, suffocating layer of sludge that a simple vacuum cannot touch. This YSaekYeo solution ends the cycle of dirty air by providing a high-grade jacquard fabric fortress that keeps your interior surfaces bone dry. It solves the mess-filled nightmare of indoor maintenance with a double waterproof sealing strip and a dedicated 2.8-meter drainage pipe that whisks sewage away. While basic plastic bags often rip and leak, this artificial pew design is built for repeated seasonal deep cleans. It fits wall units from 9K to 18K BTUs, making it a versatile tool for apartment dwellers and business owners alike. You are taking full control of your family's health by stripping away hidden allergens and restoring that effortless, icy flow. This is the smart path to mechanical longevity and a home that truly breathes again. Step into a fresher reality where every breath is as pure as the first winter frost. Now moving to the last one is Oiktylr Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. A layer of neglected grime inside your AC unit is actually a silent parasite, forcing your system to work 30% harder just to keep you from sweltering. This Oiktylr setup ends that mechanical struggle by providing a thickened PVC fortress that captures every drop of toxic runoff before it can stain your walls. It solves the daunting challenge of deep cleaning sensitive electronics by including a specialized self-adhesive film to shield your circuit boards during the wash. While basic bags often slip, this patented double hook design anchors securely whether you choose to remove the housing or clean it in place. The included 2L high-pressure sprayer reaches deep into the fins where standard brushes fail, flushing out years of hidden dander and dust. It is the ultimate recovery tool for cost-conscious families who want to slash their electricity bills while reclaiming the pure, odorless air they deserve. Take full mastery of your home's climate and finally breathe with the clarity of a pristine mountain peak. Among all the winter, the Vitsunth Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit is the best choice for its durable waterproof bag and easy drainage. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 AC cleaning kits for better cooling. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.